kids, good morning. Welcome to day 2 session of standard 2 mathematics. Okay, what homework I given yesterday? Practice assignment 1 in workbook. Do you finish that? Yes, very good. Okay, you learn two table. Close your eyes and say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Very good. Okay, also say 1 to 20 number names. Okay, say with me. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10, ELEVEN11, TWELVE12, THIRTEN13, FOURTEN14, FIFTEN15, SIXTEN16, SEVENTEN17, EIGHTEN18, NINETEN19, TWENTY20. In this class, we will learn 3 multiplication table. You also say with me. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. In this class, we will discuss what is long, what is round. How strong is a postcard? How strong is a postcard? Hold a postcard from one corner. If you keep a book on it, can it hold the book? Shall we try? What is this? This is a postcard. Hold the postcard from one corner with the help of book. Is it hold a pen? Yes. Is it hold a ball? No. Is it hold a book? No. Now try this. Roll a postcard to make a pipe. Use tape to stick the ends together. Put a box on it. Does the postcard hold it? See how many books it can hold. Shall we try this? Roll the postcard to make a pipe. Use tape to stick the ends together. Let us check how much weight it can hold. It holds one book. It can hold 2 books. It can hold 3 books and marker also. And water bottle also. Now see how much weight it can hold now. 3 books, marker and water bottle. Next, we will discuss what is long, what is round. This is Ravi. He loves to play cricket. One day, he was looking at bat and ball and found that the shapes of bat and ball are different. A bat is long and the ball is round. So, childrens, now we will play a game. Look your surroundings and say, what is long, what is round? An arrow is long, a wheel is round, a brush is long, a CD is round, a broom is long, buttons are round, a scale is long, a plate is round, a bottle is long, an orange is round. Look, some children are playing what is long and what is round. Let us join with them. A bat is long, a ball is round. Look around, look around. A brush is long, a clock is round. Look around, look around. A broom is long, a coin is round. Look around, look around. A pencil is long, a plate is round. Look around, look around. A pipe is long, an orange is round. Look around, look around. Do you understand how strong is a postcard and what is long, what is round? Yes, very good. Your homework is write 5 long objects and 5 round objects in your maths activity book and learn 2 and 3 table and 1 to 20 number names. Thank you. Stay safe at home.